This is AI content that can help your channel get monetized quickly. If you're looking for content ideas, you should try this one.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Tekno Jenius. If you are looking for YouTube content ideas with AI,
this idea might be perfect for you, especially since it can be monetized quickly. Let's take a look at this channel. It is already monetized and generates between $3,000 and $57,000 per month, using only AI shorts. Now let's check another channel in the same niche. This one has gained hundreds of millions of views on its shorts. It is also monetized and earns between $2,000 and $44,000 per month.
So what, friends? Are you interested in making it? Okay, let's get started.
But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss other interesting content from us. First, let's watch the video, then take a screenshot to turn into a prompt using ChatGPT or similar tools. Here, I'm using Claude and asking it to generate prompts based on the screenshot. I requested 6 scenes, where each scene includes both an image prompt and a video prompt.
Make sure that if you ask for help from ChatGPT or something similar, make sure you ask for detail,
so the generated prompts match what you want. Next, open Leonardo AI. Here, you'll get 150 free credits per day. For the model settings, you can choose whatever you prefer. I'm using the Phoenix 1 model with the Pro Film style. Then copy and paste the prompt and click Generate. Here's the result. If you're satisfied, you can download it. If not, you can generate it again. Repeat the same process for scene 2 and the rest. Alright, here I've created all 6 images. The next step is to turn them into videos. I'm using LumaLabs for this, and the link is in the description. Upload all of the generated images here. Then right-click on the first scene image, select Make Video, and choose Veo or Kling. After that, paste the video prompt here. You can adjust the other settings as needed, then click Create. The result is ready. Let's take a look. I think it looks good, so I'll just download it. For the next scenes, simply repeat the same steps. Once all the images have been turned into videos, the next step is to combine them using a video editor. Here, I'm using CapCut. You can add effects, background music, and anything else you like. And here is the final result.
Okay, friends, that's the video this time about YouTube content ideas that are easiest to monetize with AI.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.